Hello guys, this is Crypto Update. So, sad to say, right now, Cutbox is officially gone. So, probably it's gone. So, that's why I said, invest what you can, grind what you can, take what you can. So then, I said, don't invest all of your money, just invest what you can. And if you can make a profit, put your profit on your savings. So, this is now the last part of the Cutbox. They are making a V2. This is the Catbox V2. But I'm gonna tell you guys, don't invest on Catbox V2 anymore. Why? Uh, just look at that. What is this bot of capable of? A new season has arrived. To access V2, you will require a game pass. You need a game pass. All of your enchantments from original Catbox were carried over in V2. That's what it said. The cost game pass is 3 tons. So it should be 3 ton, not 3 tons. If you are initial V1 user and 5 tons if you are a new user. So you need to send a ton. So this is like a suspicious one. Why do you need to send a ton? Because you are old gamer on Catbox. So you need to enter the text ID below after the transfer is finished. So I suggest that transfer any ton. Um, don't transfer any ton on the Catbox anymore. Don't play the game. And if you get profit, just don't play the game. Just put it on your savings and find another good game. So Catbox right now, the V1 is finished. So they have V2. I suggest don't invest on V2 also because this is a look suspicious to me. Also, no, if they want like a game pass, they can create an NFT, maybe an NFT on Ton. If Ton provide an NFT, I think you can create an NFT on Ton. So if they want like Game Pass, they should create an NFT to buy on the players. But this is like a scam for me right now. The cost of the Game Pass is 3 tons. You are initial V1 user and 5 tons if you are a new user. You need to pay like 5. But you do not do a transaction on the game. You need to send. So this is the suspicious one. You need to send. So probably for me, don't invest anymore on Catbox V2 guys. This is my update. Don't invest. Find another game. If you get a profit on this one, on the V1, put in your savings. So this is my update guys. See you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.